Welcome to a quick tour of Stateroom 16222 on the Carnival cruise ship Mardi Gras. This is a standard balcony cabin, and as you may have guessed, it is on deck 16, which is the Lido deck. As you can see, it's not a super wide room, but if you turn to the left when you enter, this is where you'll find the bathroom. It's pretty small, but it's got everything you need: sink, toilet, shower, shelves and a makeup mirror, all the stuff you expect. Moving into the room itself, you come across the main bed, which we have configured as a king, but you can also have it as two twins. The TV is right across from the bed, and the desk and vanity are just beyond that, but we'll get to that in a minute. The other bed here is made from the couch, so if you don't have a third person in your room, it'll just be a couch. But I wanted to show you the lights around the main bed. This little lamp pulls out from the wall, and the other side has one too. Each side also has some very small shelves. You also have light controls for the entire room above the headboard. There are a few different options, and the same ones are by the front door. Going back to the vanity, it's a good size, going along the entire wall of the back half of the room. There's a bench to sit on, which also doubles as a storage area, as well as a tray in case you want to eat in bed or something. The desktop has a number of outlets, including USBs, and it's a lot more convenient than on other ships, where the whole setup is in a completely different room. It's got a pretty good sized mirror as well. It's got your standard drawers over here, and you'll find the optional laundry bags. Just remember, it does cost extra to have them do your laundry. It also costs extra if you do it yourself, just not as much. These bottom two drawers are pretty deep, and I think I found the hairdryer. The mini fridge is over here at the far end. It's a great thing to have as long as you have things that'll fit in there. Just above that, you've got the room's phone, as well as a couple of extra shelves. And of course, at the far end of the room is the balcony itself. The door is a little different than on other ships. We're used to just turning the handle and swinging it open, but this one has essentially a large lever, and then you slide the door to the side. The balcony isn't particularly big. It's got a couple of chairs and a table, and not much room for anything else. But it's a nice place to hang out and watch the sea go by. Now there is one more thing I haven't shown you, so we're going to go all the way back to the front door, across from the bathroom, which is where you'll find the closets. The closets are pretty standard, although each of them will have these shelves, which you can either have up or down, depending on what you're putting in here. It's good to have options. Basically the same on both sides, with more of these shelves. The closet closest to the door is mostly the same, but it's also where you'll find the room's safe, as well as some metal drawers down at the bottom. There's also a large shoe drawer all the way at the bottom that goes across the entire closet. And that's the room. If you booked this room or one like it, I hope this helps you get ready for your upcoming trip. We'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified of new uploads. And while you're here, check out some of our other videos.